we realized that there are, how many were they? There were 300. There were 300 students the second year now. The second year now, we realized that there are about, whatever the number there are, about 500 of them have not completed paying their school fees. And it is various. From the one who has paid the least, some have paid all. So I took the list from the top and made a contribution of 20,000 shillings for 50 students. That is 1 million shillings to pay school fees, starting from the list, and the list is here.